Hello friends, my name is Gautam and you're watching the tutorial series on how to make an advanced login system using PHP and MySQL. So this is part 5 of it. So in the last tutorial we have seen how to add users into our database and we have successfully added users to the database. So in this tutorial we will be sending a confirmation mail to their email addresses that they have provided at the time of registration. So for that purpose I am using a PHP library, that is you just have to go to Google and type PHPMailer. So just click on the first link and you can download this library by clicking this clone or download and download the zip. So after downloading and extracting, you will be getting this folder, that is PHPMailer master. So once you open this folder, we need 3 scripts. So we need this script, that is class.phpmailer.php. So just select this, and we need second script, this class.smtp.php. And the third script that we need is this phpmailer autoload.php. So we need these 3 scripts. So just copy it and paste it into your default project folder, and we have given the name, that is scripts. So I will paste it these 3 scripts. So after that you will scroll down to this, that is PHPMailer. You will see a template that is written for you. So just copy the whole code, and after that we will create a new script. I can name it, that is activate email.php, and you can paste the whole code. So after that you just have to replace some values here. So in the host value you will be naming the host. For sending to Gmail IDs, you will provide a SMTP of Gmail, that is simply smtp.gmail.com. After that, in the username and password field, you will be writing your respective email addresses and password. So let me write my email address. So this email address will be used to send confirmation mail to users. So just write a valid email address of your Gmail and write the password. So after that, in the set from field, you will write your email address again. And in the add address, we will be substituting the email address that is provided by the user. So we will get to that later on. And we eliminate this second add address field. We do not need this. And also we do not need this add BC, BCC, add reply to. So just eliminate also. So also we are not sending any attachment. So just eliminate this add attachment field also. So after that, subject body, we got to. In the subject field we will be naming the subject of the email. So just I write confirmation mail. And in the body we will provide our confirmation mail. So after that, this alt body we do not need, so just delete it. So after that, if block is present, so the mail is not successfully transferred, so it will echo out that this message could not be sent and print out the error. So in the else, that this message has been sent. So we do not need this else block also, so just delete it. So after that, one thing remains, that is from whichever ID that you are sending your mail. So just go to Google and just type this Gmail allow less secure apps and type enter. So after that you just have to go to this and go to the less secure app section, and this, that is allow less secure apps. This is set to off. You have to set it to on. So this configuration that you have to make your email ID. So after that you can send mail successfully to any user which is registering. So we are moving on to our activate email.php script. So before that we need to get to our index.php script. So for using this that is this name, username, password, email in the activation email.php script, we need some kind of mechanism. So in that, for helping us, session comes into existence. So sessions allow us to use values in multiple PHP scripts. So we will declare session at the top of the script, that is session start, and we will make some session variables. So if the query is successfully executed, then we will make some session variables. So the syntax is very simple, that is in the array field you will name your session variables. So let me name my first variable to name, and I will assign a value of the name that is provided by the user. And again I will repeat this for 4 more times, that is, let me substitute username, here email, and again lastly password. And also we need to make a session variable of activation code, which will be used in this activate email.php script. Just name it activation code. So we have named our 5 session variables. So after that we will include our script, that is activate email.php by this include construct. And after that, if this script executes successfully, then we will print out a message. Then we assign a message to success variable, that is please confirm or please check your email to confirm your account. So this is assigned to success variable that we have initialized at the top of the script, and again it will be printed if the success variable is successfully set, and it will be printed, that is echo success. So after that we move on to our activate email.php script. So here we can easily substitute, that is here in the set from field. So let me make a variable right now in this, that is email or to variable, and in this to variable I will be storing my session variable, that is email, and another variable I will be, that is activation code. Let me equal to, this is equal to session activation code. So we have initialized these session variables in the last script, that is index.php. So for accessing these variables, we are just accessing by these syntax, but to access them we need to start the session first at the top of the script. So first of all initialize the session, again session start, and if the session has started, then we can access these variables, and email is assigned to variable and activation code is assigned to activation code variable. So then we can easily substitute these values. So let me substitute to this, that is add address. simply assign the variable, that is 2. This is not necessary, so just remove this. We do not need this. After that, we just need to edit our body. So in that you can provide anything, that is you can log on to your account by entering the following credentials. So then you can make some editing and then insert some break tags. After that, you can assign them in the double quotes. So just double quotes. So after that, you can say username and password. Let me declare another variable of username. Session username and password. So again, two variables are there, username and password. So I can substitute here easily. So you can log on to your account by entering the following credentials. After that, many break tags are there. After that, we are writing username, and then we can assign a variable, it is username. Then we can insert some break tags, 2 break tags. After that, password comes, and then we can assign a password variable. So again, we can add some break tags. This is simply for formatting. So then if you will open the email, then the formatting is done according to these rules specified by you. So after that, we can make our link. It is click here to activate your account. Then just do this and some break tags. After that, we will write our confirmation link. So http:// user login. So our project name is user login. So depending upon what you have named your project, it may vary. So I have named user login, so I am writing this user login / so I will be making this verify.php in the next tutorial to verify if the user has clicked this URL or not. So I will be making this verify.php in the next tutorial. So verify.php. So after that, I will put a question mark and I will write email is equal to, and then I will be pasting my variable, that is email, and you can simply write here after providing email, and then we can add symbol and activation code is equal to, then we can replace the activation code variable, that is activation code, and then we can close the double quotes and semicolon. So this is the whole message. So let me revise this. That is, first of all, this line will be printed. You can log on to your account by entering the following credentials: username, password, and click here to activate your account. So after that 4 breaks will be added, and after that this link will be provided to the user. In order to click this, after clicking this link, he will be successfully activating his account. So let me make this small e. So email will be substituted and activation code is here substituted. So after that simply we need to, oh sorry, a double quote is there already. So this completes our message. So if in case message is not sent successfully, this message will be printed, that this message could not be sent, and mail error will be printed, error info. So if the mail is successfully sent, then let me save this, then onto this part, the success. Please check your email to confirm your account. This will be stored in this success variable, and after that this will be printed in this span tag. We will get to know that the email has been successfully transferred to the user's email account. So let me show you guys. So let me open my project, localhost /user login /index.php. So this is the registration page. So let me write a username Gautam and username also Gautam, and let me write a valid email address of mine. So this is a valid email address. So a confirmation mail will be sent to this email address. Let me write a password and click sign up. So a session had already been started, ignoring session start in. So there is error right now. So let me eliminate those errors. Oh sorry, session start is not to be present here because we are including this file in this already. So we need not have to write it once again. And we are storing PHPMailer autoload.php in the scripts directory. Let me show you. So it is stored in the scripts directory. So we need to make this path clear, that is scripts /PHPMailer autoload.php. So let me save this once again and refresh the browser. So let me write it once again. And click sign up. Sorry, username already exists and email already exists. So let me go to my database to check if this email address already exists. User login. This is the table. So this is already existing. So let me delete it and try it once again. Let me click sign up. So as you can see here, it is prompting me, that is, please check your email to confirm your account. So let me sign in into my email, that is so let me log out to this. Sharma Gautam, this is the email. So let me So a confirmation mail will be sent to this email address. So as you can see here, a confirmation mail is there, which is sent by this email address. So as you can see here, you can log on to your account by entering the following credentials: username that we have provided, Gautam, and the password that we have provided, 123456. Click here to activate your account. So if I click here like this, so it will be saying me that is object not found, because we have not made this script that is verify.php. So in the next tutorial we will be making this script that is verify.php, which will check that if the user has actually been clicked this URL or not. So we will check that if the user has clicked this URL or not. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, thank you very much.